find me now. The storm has come and gone. Your peace is all I'm on. Raindrops fade away. You make a way. My heart begins to see. Your light is calling me. Every shadow's past. Your love will last. You break the night apart with hope inside my heart. Every storm bows down to your crown. Light through the clouds, shine again. Wash away the dark and pain. Every tear, every sound, heaven's love is found. Light through the clouds, pure and true. All my praise returns to you. When my heart cries loud, you're the light to your crown. The sky begins to glow. Your grace begins to flow. 1,000 voices rise to the skies. You paint the world with peace. My doubts begin to cease. Your hands renew the day in your way. You break the night apart with hope inside my heart. Every storm bows down to your crown. Light through the clouds, shine again. Wash away the Fall on me now. Every dry and broken lamb now drinks from your gentle hand. Tears become the sea of mercy free. The clouds begin to glow. Your presence starts to flow. Every heart awakes, grace overtakes. You pour your love again, like healing from the rain. Every soul reborn by your dawn. Rain of blessing, pure and true. Wash my brings your light. Rain of blessing, soft and sweet, covers every wounded beat. All my praise I raise for your reign of grace. Healing from the rain, every soul reborn by your dawn. Rain of blessing, pure and true. Wash my heart and make it new. Every drop that falls tonight brings your rain of blessing, fall on me now. Rain of blessing, valley of my fear, I feel your presence near. Every shadow starts to fade. By your light I'm made. Your word becomes my guide. No longer will I hide. You carry me through pain like gentle rain. You walk these roads with me in perfect majesty. Every step I take for your name's sake. Path of glory, bright and wide. Take me where your truth abides. Every tear, every cry turns to light on high. Path of glory, pure and true. All my soul belongs to you. Lead me through the night to your holy light. Mountains bow to your grace, heaven touches this place. So creation sings to the King. Your fire lights my way through every passing day. Forever I will go where you show. You walk these roads with me in perfect majesty. Every step I take for your name's sake. Path of glory, bright and wide. Take me where your truth abides. Every tear, every cry turns to light on high. Path of glory, pure and true. All my soul belongs to you. Lead me through the night to your holy light. Your steps are etched in time. Your grace my only sign. Forever I will be walking free. Path of glory, bright and wide. Take me where your truth abides. Every tear, every cry turns to light on high. Path of glory, pure and true. All my soul belongs to you. Lead me through the night to your holy light. Path of glory, lead me home. Path of glory. Eternal light shine in my soul. When night tries to remain, your glory Darkness fades away, you are the day. Your flame will never fall. Your truth outshines it all. Forever you will be the light in me. You open up the sky. Your love can never die. Every heart made new in you. Eternal light burns so bright. Lead me through the endless night. Every tear, every cry turns to glory high. Eternal light, pure and true. All my days belong to you. Let your grace ignite. Eternal you speak and worlds awake. The heavens start to shake. Your word creates the sun, the Holy One. Your radiance never ends. It heals, restores, and mends. Forever I will be in thee. You open up the sky. Your love can never die. Every heart made new in you. Eternal light burns so bright. Lead me through the endless night. Every tear, every cry turns to glory high. Eternal light, pure and true. All my days belong to you. Let your grace ignite. Eternal light. Fire inside my heart will never be apart. Forever I will stay in your way. Eternal breaks through the haze. Your mercy lights my days. I hear your gentle call. I give you all. Your truth, my heart's delight. Your love restores. perfect law. You crown the earth with peace. Our spirits find release. The past is washed away in your day. Heaven opens wide. Your glory can't be denied. Every tear erased by your grace. Kingdom of grace, holy place. Every soul in your embrace. All I am, all I see is you alive in me. Kingdom of grace, shining true. All my heart belongs to you. In this sacred space, your kingdom of grace. Your throne of light remains beyond all time and pain. Forever, every soul in your embrace. Kingdom of grace, holy place. Every soul in your embrace. All I am, all I see is you alive in me. Kingdom of grace, shining true. All my heart belongs to you. In this sacred space, your kingdom of grace. Kingdom of grace forevermore. Kingdom of grace. Wings of peace, carry me home. When the night feels cold and long, you wrap me in your song. Every fear and every tear disappear. Your gentle voice is near, whispering, do not fear. You lift my weary soul and make me whole. Your shadow covers me, safe for eternity. In your arms of grace, I find my place. safe for eternity in your arms of grace. I find my place, wings of peace spread so wide, lift me to your holy side. Every storm, every cry fades beneath your sky. Wings of peace, pure and true, all my rest belongs to you. Let your love release. Wings of peace, your calm forever stays beyond the endless days. Forever I will be at peace in thee. Wings of peace spread so wide, lift me to your holy side. Every storm, every cry fades beneath your sky. Wings of peace, pure and true, all my rest belongs to you. Let your love release. Wings of peace. Wings of peace. Carry me home. Heaven open wide, your glory falls inside. The veil begins to tear, your presence fills the air. Every heart awake for your name's sake. The light descends like rain, you heal our hidden pain. We lift our hands on high, your spirit fills the sky. Every soul made new in you. Heaven open wide, pour your grace, shine your light on every place. Every voice Guarding a mercy pure thy holy rain. Garden of mercy, calm and true, all my soul belongs to you. Here I kneel and stay in your mercy's way. Shadow fades away when I hear you say stay. Your light flows deep inside the current where I hide. You wash my soul again, my dearest friend. You call me by my name through waters clear as flame. All my doubts erase in your grace. River of faith forever wide, pull me close, don't leave my side. Every tear that fell away, you turn to day. River of faith, pure and true, all my hope returns to you. Every wave I face leads to your embrace. The sky reflects your name, your peace a gentle flame. The mountains bow below as waters flow. My heart has found its shore, I won't wander anymore. Your hand will guide my way, night or day. You call me by my name through waters clear as flame. All my doubts erase in your grace. River of faith forever wide, pull me close, don't leave my side. Every tear that fell away, you turn to day. River of faith, pure and true, all my hope returns to you. Every wave I face leads to your embrace. Let your current take me in, wash away